Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Student, in morning I have given you one test and now we will discuss the answer key of that test. Student, as you know, that test was of 10 marks and there was total 10 objective questions. And now we will start the solution of those questions. In the test, the first question was minus 6 raised to the power 3. Minus 6, we will solve inside. Minus 6 raised to the power 3. And second term we are having minus 3 raised to the power 6. Here we have option which one is greater, which one is lesser, equal to or none. Means we have to compare these two numbers. And you just see, before starting this, you should know one formula that minus 1 raised to the power even number will always plus 1. And if minus 1 raised to the power odd number, then answer will always be minus 1. Only this concept we have to use here. Here in this question, both the base are negative, but here the power is odd number. So this number will always be negative, and here power is positive, means even number. So this number will always be positive. And you always know that negative number is always smaller than, or you can say less than, which this number. So your answer will be what? Less than. So your option will be here. First of all, you write the option. Which option it is? B. And your answer is less than. If you write only B, that is also sufficient. Now come to the second answer. In the question we have given minus 1 raised to the power 101. That is equal to what? This thing we have to find out. Again, student, this is the same concept. Here minus 1 raised to the power odd number, because 101 is a odd number. And if minus 1 raised to the power odd number, so answer will always be minus 1. So your option will be B. And answer will be minus 1. That will be the answer of this question. Now come to the third question. In question 3, you have given that 243 can be expressed as power of as dash power of 3. For that, what you will do? You have to make the prime factor of 243. Here 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3, 3 27 ja 81, then 3 9 ja 27, then 3 3 ja 9, then again 3 1 ja 3. Now you see how many times 3 came? 3 came 5 times. So 243 can be expressed as fifth power of 3. So your answer will be C, and that is fifth. Now come to the answer number 4. Student, in this question you have to make the standard form of 91,567. This number you are having, you have to find its or write its standard form. So you know it very well that in standard form the decimal is always lies after this first digit, and here if we convert it into standard form, then its number will be 9.1567. And now you see after decimal how many digits? 1 2 3 4. So it will be 10 raised to the power 4. So your answer will be D, and you can write the answer also. Here your answer will be 9.1567 into 10 raised to the power 4. Come to the next one. Here in this question 5, we have given that minus 7 raised to the power 2 into minus 1 raised to the power 5. This we have to solve. Again you see it very carefully. Here minus 7 raised to the power 2. What will be the answer of this? It means minus 7 into minus 7. It will be plus 49. And here minus 1 raised to the power odd number. It means here answer will be minus 1. And when you will multiply, you will get minus 49. So your answer will be C. And what it is? It is minus 49. So this is the answer of this question. Now come to the next. Here in this, we have given 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 6 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 6 raised to the power 2. It is very easy, directly law of exponent. Here base are different and power is same. So this number can be written as 6 to 2 in 2 6 are 12 raised to the power 2. And 12 raised to the power 2 is what? It is 144. So your answer will be C, and you can write here 144. The next, come to the answer number 7. Stand in this, you have given 9 raised to the power 3 upon 6 raised to the power 3. This you have given. So you have to solve it. So this can be written as 9 by 6 and whole raised to the power 3. And when you will solve it, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. It means 3 by 2 cube. So 3 cube 27 and 2 cube it will be 8. So your answer will be 27 by 8. So find in options. So your option, correct option will be, it will be A. That is 27 by 8. Come to the next one. We are on question number 8. Here in this question you have given 1 raised to the power 0 plus 2 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power 0 minus 4 raised to the power 0 plus 5 raised to the power 0. It is very simple concept. You know it very well that x raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Here value of this will be 1. Here value of 1. Here 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. Here again value of 4 raised to the power 0 is 1. And 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 will be 2. So 3 minus 2. Answer will be 1. So correct option is B. And answer is 1. This you have to write. Now come to the next answer. Answer number 9. Here you have given that negative of minus 2 by 3 and whole raised to the power 3. You have to find its negative. Friend, when you will solve it, you always get a negative number, and when you find the negative of negative number, that will always be positive. So negative of this number will be what? It will be 2 by 3 whole cube. And what will be the right option? It will be B. Now come to the next one. Here in this question number 10, you have given multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 4 and whole raised to the power 3. So multiplicative inverse means we have to find such a number by which if we multiply this number, we get the product 1. So it means we have, for the multiplicative inverse, we have to make its reciprocal. So its reciprocal will be what? It will be minus 4 by 3 and whole raised to the power 3. So correct option will be C. So stand here. In this way we have solved all these things. Now you have to tally your answer with it and rectify your mistakes. and if you have done any mistake, then you have to solve that question again. So this is for the day. Thank you.